All right, students, here we go. Fabric sewing sample. First thing I want to remind you is that both of these threads have to be in between the presser foot and the stitch plate, and that there's a little slit right there. Can you see it? Where I'm going to slide them both through. I'm just going to push down and they'll go right through, and they have to be to the back. Make sure they're kind of got a nice little tail so they hang out the back. Now I'm going to take my fabric, and just like you did on your sewing on the purple paper, you're going to place this in here. I'm going to put the edge of my material on this 5/8 inch line. Some of you have a 5/8, some of you have a little screw bob job that's bigger or littler, but find the 5/8 inch line. Now you've done this. I'm going to put the edge of the material on the 5/8 inch line, and then I'm going to put the cross of the fabric on this line that goes across. Ends up, if you have this particular machine, you're going to put the corner of that fabric right on that little screw bob job. I'm going to drop my presser foot, and then with my hand wheel, I'm going to take 1 or 2 stitches just by hand. There's 2, and I'm going to set myself up with my left hand hanging out to the left and my right hand being in front. I'm going to push down on my foot pedal. At the same time, I'm going to go, oops, mine's not engaged. I'm going to go back 3 to 5 stitches. When I'm off the edge, I'm going to start coming back forward. And I'm going to sew this, and what I'm watching is not the needle, but the edge of this material on that 5/8 inch line. And I'm going to adjust my material. If it goes this way, I go there. If it goes over this way, and I'm just barely seeing the edge, but I'm seeing it, seeing that 5/8 inch line. And I'm going to sew until I get close to this end, and when my material gets on this crosshair going across, I'm going to stop. Slow down, Mrs. Wiscomb. With the needle in, I'm going to lift up my presser foot and pivot. Looks like I'm a little short, so I'm just going to sew back, and I'd move my material over, and I'm going to sew down. When I get close, I better slow down. Kind of using my hand wheel. Boy, I just think 1 more stitch is going to be too much. Maybe not. Pick up my presser foot, pivot. Again, it's going to be on that 5/8 inch line. Sew all the way around. Now I could go faster because I've had lots and lots of experience. Slow down. Right there on that crosshair. Pivot. Drop. Again, I'm keeping this. This is what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at, is that 5/8 inch line. If it goes this way, I steer back. If it goes this way, I steer back. You're going to see some wiggling on mine stitching. Now, when I'm ending, I'm going to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to back stitch 3 to 5 stitches. And then I'll pull that off, and we're done. Can you see where I got off? All right, I forgot my scissors, so I'm going to let you in on a secret. There's a little razor blade right there on the side. You didn't see that, so you won't even know. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to go grab a pencil. Pause for 1 second.